Yo, listen up. You're not gonna believe this, but there's this free app that lets you win cash prizes just for playing some super easy games. It's like getting paid to have fun, am I right? No more wasting time on boring stuff. This app's got all kinds of cool mini games that are actually worth your time. The best part? You can cash out your winnings anytime, no strings attached. So what are you waiting for? Watch the full video now and start raking in the dough. It's free money. Before we dive into today's exciting topic, we'd love it if you could subscribe and enable notifications. Your support means the world to us, and we don't want you to miss out on any of our valuable videos. It's truly a joy to share these incredible, effective methods for earning money online with you. We're thrilled that these opportunities are accessible from anywhere around the globe. We'd be absolutely delighted if you could take a moment to comment below and let us know which country you're watching from. Your input is invaluable and helps us create tailored content just for you. Thank you so much for being here. Now, let's embark on this fantastic journey together. Have you heard about Arc8 Beasts? This app is seriously blowing up. It's racked up millions of downloads, and people are absolutely loving it. We're talking an impressive 4.4-star rating from over 112,000 reviews on Google Play, and a stellar 4.8-star rating from 4,400 ratings in the App Store. Pretty sweet, right? So, what's the deal with Arc8? It's this awesome mobile gaming platform that's packed with all sorts of cool games. Arc8 Beasts is a thrilling new mobile game where you can play as fierce, customizable beasts and compete in heart-pounding battles for real cash prizes. With simple yet addictive gameplay, you'll be slashing, biting, and roaring your way to victory in no time. Whether you're a casual gamer or a seasoned pro, Arc8 Beasts offers endless hours of fun and the chance to earn some extra cash on the side. They've just dropped 3 brand new Mocha-themed games, 8-Ball Mocha, Mocha Mania, and Into the Mochaverse. But that's not all. They've got a ton of other genres covered, like sports games, card games, action-packed stuff, and puzzles. There's something for everyone to enjoy. Here's the best part. You can actually join these really cool events and win some serious cash prizes. And get this, it's totally free to enter. All you gotta do is collect a bit of luck while you're playing. How awesome is that? So yeah, if you're into mobiles gaming and the idea of winning some extra cash, you might definitely want to check out Arc8 Beasts. It's a pretty sweet deal all around. Imagine the rush of pitting your mighty beast against others, the thrill of snatching victory, and the satisfaction of seeing your earnings grow. Arc8 Beasts lets you live out your wildest animal fantasies while putting real money in your pocket. What are you waiting for? Unleash the beast within and start earning today. Download Arc8 Beasts now and claim your chance to play, compete, and cash in. Before we wrap up, we have a quick request for you. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends who might also be interested. Your support helps us create more informative content just like this. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos about making money methods. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.